Your skin barrier is a layer of lipids. It's a bilayer membrane, meaning two layers of lipids that surround your skin cells. And they bathe your skin cells in all these lipids that help prevent water from evaporating off the skin. And they keep bad things like allergens and irritants and bacteria from getting in your skin. You can kind of think about it as like a plastic wrap around your skin, protecting, when you put food in the refrigerator and you have plastic wrap on it and you see the water condensation underneath the plastic, that plastic is holding all that water in your skin. Well, that's what your skin barrier does. So when you want a barrier repair moisturizer, you want a moisturizer that's going to have the same shape and pattern as those natural lipids in your skin, because they need to be airtight and fit together like puzzle pieces. So the shape of the lipids matters. The different fatty acids have different shapes, and if they're not the right fatty acids, they don't pop together in this airtight shape that a puzzle piece would do. So if you imagine these are your fatty acids and you're putting them together, you need them to really fit together like this, where they're tight, not like this. So how do you know? When you look under a microscope at the lipids in your skin, if they're put together in that proper pattern where there's no spaces in between, you see reflection of the light that causes this pattern that looks like a Maltese cross. So scientists call this anisotropy. And anisotropy is this Maltese cross pattern that you see when the lipids are in the right formation. So when you're looking for a barrier repair moisturizer, look and see if it on the label talks about the Maltese cross pattern, because this is really the only way to know that it is one of the best barrier repair moisturizers.